Alright guys, here's this Coolmaster ceiling fan 2022 remake. Not going to be in this room too long, just going to have to make a video of it. See, it's got quite the dirt on it. Yeah, it's quite a lot of grime. Hasn't been cleaned in so long. So here is its regulator. I've shown many times. I've shown many times, but still get comments. Does it work on low? Does this tell you? No, it doesn't. It's quite wobbly, quite noisy. Still gets used every night though. It's not my room, so I would not be able to sleep with it. It's getting slower as well. I think capacitors going a bit bad in it. And don't tell me to oil it, seriously. I've already tried that. And I'm sick and tired of these stupid people leaving these dumb comments on my videos saying random words without even punctuation, and just it doesn't make any sense. It's really getting annoying. Stop it. I'm just going to delete them. And before you say it's the light, it's actually not the light either. There is decent air for the bearings noise that it has. I'm surprised it hasn't actually seized up yet, to be honest. So yeah, that'll be it for this video. Thank you for watching.